Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey deep into the intricate world of gut health, where the mysteries of our digestive system meet the transformative power of intermittent fasting. Today, we invite you to join us as we embark on an enlightening exploration, uncovering the profound connections between what we eat, how we fast, and the vibrant ecosystem within our guts. So, before you take your seat, take a moment to envision the bustling metropolis that is your digestive tract. A bustling community of trillions of microorganisms, tirelessly working to keep you in balance. Now, armed with the knowledge that intermittent fasting isn't just a trend but a profound tool for wellness, let's delve deeper. Brew yourself a cup of green tea, find your favorite cozy spot, and prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets to optimal gut health together. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Gut health is crucial for overall well-being. Did you know that our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad? And these little microorganisms play a significant role in our digestion, immune system, and even mental health. Enter the gut microbiome, a diverse community of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes living in our digestive tract. When balanced, this microbiome keeps us healthy, but factors like poor diet, stress, and antibiotics can throw it off balance. Let us now discuss intermittent fasting, which is a cyclical eating habit that alternates between eating and fasting times. It has become more well known for its ability to enhance gut health in addition to helping people lose weight. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can promote a healthy gut by reducing inflammation, increasing the diversity of gut microbes, and enhancing the production of beneficial short-chain fatty acids. A word of caution before making significant changes to your diet: it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. So, how can you incorporate intermittent fasting into your routine while supporting your gut health? Start gradually. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Begin by gradually increasing the fasting window over time. For beginners, a simple method is the 16/8 approach, which involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window each day. As your body adapts, you can experiment with longer fasting periods. Choose nutrient-dense foods. During eating windows, prioritize foods that nourish your gut microbiome. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support gut health and overall well-being. Include fermented foods. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can provide a natural source of beneficial probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. Examples include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and miso. These foods can enhance microbial diversity and promote a balanced gut environment. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for supporting digestion and overall gut health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during fasting periods, to prevent dehydration and maintain optimal digestive function. Mindful eating. When breaking your fast, practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger cues, eating slowly, and savoring each bite. This can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. Additionally, chewing your food thoroughly can aid in the breakdown of nutrients and support gut health. Manage stress. Chronic stress can disrupt gut health by affecting digestion and increasing inflammation. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing stress management can help support a healthy gut-brain connection and overall well-being. Listen to your body. Above all, listen to your body and adjust your fasting protocol as needed. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting periods and eating windows, and make modifications based on your individual needs and preferences. It's essential to find a sustainable fasting routine that works for you and supports your gut health in the long term. By implementing these techniques into your intermittent fasting regimen, you can achieve optimal gut health and get the many advantages of a healthy, well-balanced microbiome. always remember that patience and persistence are essential. So practice self-compassion while you travel the path to improved gut health and general well-being. Don't just take our word for it. Many people have experienced incredible improvements in their gut health and overall well-being by incorporating intermittent fasting into their lifestyles. In conclusion, gut health is essential for a happy and healthy life, and intermittent fasting could be a powerful tool to support it. Remember to listen to your body, prioritize nutrient-dense foods, and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your gut and happy fasting.